Meanwhile, some players in the tourism sector in Portland are bracing for the impact of the Omicron variant. But they argue that people in the sector should get vaccinated to cushion the blow. Sandy Williams reports.
As the new year begins, there are concerns that the Omicron variant could rip through the population and set back the tourism sector even further. Just last week, there were reports of an increase in COVID-19 cases at various resorts in St. Anne and St. James, signs that the sector has already started to see the effects of Omicron. At the eastern end of the island, in Portland specifically, some are bracing for another tough year for tourism. It's why the president of the Blue Lagoon Alliance, Colin Beckford, is insisting that vaccination is the way out.
I think it will impact us, yes, if it really gets out of control. I think those of us who are in the tourism sector, we should really get vaccinated, yes, so we can put up some resistance to whatever variants that arrive, yes. And so far, the pace has been slow for us who work into the industry, yeah, to be vaccinated.
Others say that if the safety protocols are maintained, then the impact of the new variant on tourism could be reduced.
I'm looking at it in a positive way. Most people I saw, they were allowing the 3 to 6 feet. Even on the raft that I went on, it was only 2 per raft. You sat apart, and then one host, which was good. Normally you'd put 2 and 3 and 4 together, but right now they are observing it, and that's good for the tourism sector. What this will do is educate others that if we do the right thing, then we can open up a little bit.
When I say about people wearing masks, I think it's a good thing. And although I don't take the vaccine yet, but when I sit down and think about it, I think it's the right thing to do. So, God help when we survive, and one of the day, the COVID will go away. You know, I go stay forever.
The tourism sector took a big hit at the start of the pandemic, but things have been looking up.
There's signs of improvement, like the hotels around, like say for instance, for example, the G-Jam, the Bayview Resort, the Great Huts, they are starting to pick up with visitors, so it has been some sign of improvement for us here. Especially going into the Christmas season and going into the New Year's, yes, we have seen major improvement.
Recently, Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett said he expects the sector to continue to show improvements in 2022. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.